This has to be one of the best Defender commercials I've ever seen here at Acklam Car Centre. Just the aesthetic reasons, the way it looks, Santorini black, 73 registration with only 1,100 miles on. It is VAT qualifying, so it's a price plus VAT, D250 commercial hardtop. But it's got a full urban bespoke body kit on this car, which is the arches, the bonnet vents, the side vents. Just look at the styling of it, it's fabulous. LED daytime running lights, LED lights front and rear. All the black styling, so the car's been fully colour-coded front and rear. It's got everything, 360 camera system, front rear parking sensors. But look at this arch kit, it's huge. And it really looks extremely good on this car, and the vents as well. But then you have the UC1 23-inch urban design wheels, which again finishes the car off extremely well. Side steps, you've then got more sort of beautiful pod lights at the top there. Centre armrest. You've got cruise control, Bluetooth, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, heated seats, dual zone climate control. But it's a Defender commercial, you can't get these cars, and you can put it for the business, claim the VAT back on it, and really utilise it. Lockable space, urban hardback rear cover, Towbar there, and you have the urban rear spoiler as well. Classic mud flaps front and rear, the space is plenty. And you have the detachable Towbar, it's not just a fixed one. The styling of it is beautiful. It's the way it looks, because when you bang a Defender commercial, normally they're a bit bland, a bit tired, just a little bit boring. If you're going to use it for the business, on a farm, whatever it might be for, you want it to look good, and this does a cracking job. The wheels really do make this car look fabulous. But then the body kit's very stylish as well. Electric windows and mirrors, full digital dashboard. You have got the cold climate pack on this car as well, which is the heated steering wheel. The upgraded leather steering wheel as well. And then you have, there's a camera system there. Automatic gearbox, twin cup holders, 2 keys, USB-C and USB. So the urban kit, the rear spoiler, the side steps, the electric deployable tow bar, the 23-inch wheels, the cold climate pack, and it's a Defender commercial that's VAT qualifying with only 1,100 miles on a 73 registration in Santorini black. If you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.